Good afternoon, sir. Sir, in the existing current scenario, the fire incident is the major concern for that, the main pain for that. Most of, moreover, we are trying our best to control the issues regarding the PMs and the site presence and the routine visits, but still we are unable to control the issue on some of sites where the malfunctioning is going on, as well as the sites are under capture of some owner, and some malpractice is going on without our notice. So to overcome the issue, for the time being, we have find out a solution, automatic fire extinguisher system in Alwar. So just brief for that. In this system, we have used the same CO2 cylinder which is available in our BTS sites. Same CO2 cylinder. Just in series, we have applied a brass pipe with PVC coated. In series, we have fitted a 12 volt solenoid valve, which is generally used in all of the CNG, LPG in automobile sector. The cost is almost 150 to 200 rupees. This is operated by a relay, 12 volt relay, and the relay get the supply from the fire smoke sensor, which we have fitted in a it is just a for demo site. We will going to fit this fire and smoke sensor. For this fire and smoke sensor, one in PIU and one in SMPS. When this fire and smoke sensor sends the smoke, it gives supply, output supply to that relay, 12 volt relay. After that, relay will activate and give supply to the solenoid valve. The cylinder remains always in open condition, remain in on condition. The line remains charged up to solenoid valve. In that case, what's the relay? Although if line full remain full charge, when detect this relay gets a supply signal from the smoke sensor, relay get activated, and this relay activated the solenoid coil. We can check the live from the live demo also in the next clip. To operate this relay and the smoke sensor, we can use, here we have utilized this 12 volt DC battery. In spite of, because as a demo site, we can use a PID card which is easily available, having input voltage of 48 volt and output is 12 volt DC. The same card we can utilize taking the supply for the SMPS. In this copper pipe which we have installed in the SMPS, we have done holes inside it. Let us see the holes inside it for the extinguisher of fire. When the relay get operate, solenoid get operate, the CO2 comes from these pipes and gets spray in this chamber. Let us do a live demo.